All right, I'm here, Jenna here, and we're discussing smart panels. If you get a smart panel, you're monitoring every circuit in the house, right? Now the smart panels are going to be about 5,000, right? Your average panel will be about 2,500, so it's double the price. All of your conductors draw resistance, and that draws amperage. Even the motors, the windings, they're not going, right? The longer the run, more resistance. You're always drawing power. The house is just sitting here drawing power all day long, right? No need for that. You're not gonna go to your breaker box and turn off your main every day. You could.
You probably don't want to turn the AC off all day. Not in Florida.
Exactly was my thought too on that, because that's not good. Definitely in the summertime. Okay, so you leave your AC on.
So you have to selectively turn things off.
Selectively turn things on. Maybe put it on a timer. I'm sure this app for this smart panel can do that. This is the only one that can turn breakers on and off right now, with the monitoring of all the wattages for each branch circuit, which is really nice to see. So if there's any inefficiencies, you know right away about your appliances and be able to correct those. The thing is though, does it make sense to consumers to purchase a smart panel over a regular
It sounds like it
panel?
does if they need, an upgrade?
Most people are going to need panel changes. In the years to come though,
But I mean, if they need more electricity.
that means they're going to have their...
Like instead of I forgot the name of it, the upgrade.
a service change. Service upgrade.
That it makes sense for sure.
If they had a 150 to a 200, right? Let's say they need to add that. Here's the kicker to that, right? And that's a good one. That's one of the reasons why I like this company, is because for EVs, if we ended up putting in this smart panel, and let's say you needed the service upgrade because we did a load calc for your house, and well, there is not enough juice to power that, this smart panel would be almost as costly as a service change. Now you're able to, it has like an energy saving star, some kind of rating where it's actually allowed to do this through the manufacturer, not through the National Electric Code. But maybe it is in the National Electric Code as well. This is some kind of exception, but not that I've read. That it monitors everything in your house, so it's going to have a load management system. So like for generators, what we have is load shedding devices on your AC, your pool heater, water heater, dryer, and these will communicate with your generator, right? So generators drawing a load, motor's going on. These things are communicating through the ether and through the system, turning one thing on, turning one thing off, so that way you're not bogging down the generator. This smart panel has that built in to each breaker. No, that's not even to the breaker, it's to the backboard of the panel. I was talking to a vendor yesterday, Mike, and these are actually through there. It's the only thing that makes Mike from CED. The breakers themselves, though, are square D, which, they're not changing the breakers, they're just changing the panel. They're more expensive, but they have this load shed built in. So if you get an EV, you can now charge your car, not upgrade the service. Everything's communicating with the system. You know when what's being utilized, what you can't turn on. So it's just saying you can't turn on your oven at the same time you're charging your car. Maybe your AC, you can't turn your heater on all the way. Maybe your pool pump can't turn on right now.
But if you needed to, could you force it? Like what if I want to bake something at the same time my pool heater's on?
That would be a load shed problem. The system wouldn't allow it. You would have to upgrade your system, but at least you don't have to upgrade your system. You would be able to work with what you have, and you'd be like, oh, I gotta wait an hour to turn on my oven, my pool heater, my heater in my house, because that's, you might have a 50 amp breaker on your air handling unit. That's not from the AC, that's just only from heaters. We've sized it all the way to that. So during the summertime in Florida, you're never using 50 amps on that.
Mm-hmm.
So we might do a low calc on your house, and then maybe for 1 month out of the year, well, that's the only time you're drawing actually what the house is suited for, is for your heater. Maybe 2 or 3 nights in Florida you use your heater. It's not that much. So why are we going to upsize your whole service for this one time? Because that's pretty much
Makes sense.
the difference there. Why not have a load management system to do this for you? For these panels, you're going to improve the your home value with these smart panels by far. You can even control lighting systems for it, right?
Mm-hmm.
They have a lot of play. You can be very creative.
Can you put your lights on timers and stuff, I'm assuming?
I had to look into the app.
Yeah.
So
I bet.
So I think I'm thinking that it's going to be really interesting to have these panels. I'm excited for them, but I think they're, to the average consumer, I think they're worth every nickel.